Hello, welcome back to London. Happy New Year. It's our first little walk of 2026. The sun is being a pain at the minute. Every time I think it's going to break through the clouds, it disappears again. It's windy, it's cold, but on those days where you do just feel like you want to stay in, sometimes that produces the best results. So I don't know what the plan is. I'm just walking around the city, seeing what photos I can get, and hopefully we can get something good. Happy New Year. So we're on London Bridge, which is always basked in lovely winter sun. But I'm actually looking at the stairs that go down on the north side. Now, if you get really low to get those buildings on the other side of the water out of the shot, you can get a nice silhouette walking down. It's very windy today. But yeah, let's see what we can do. I want a solo subject ideally. You want to get as low as possible to get some different perspective. It should come out quite nicely. The joys of having low sun during winter means even on the passageways down here you can get some lovely contrast. And if you get someone walking through, as they walk into that patch of light, they're rim lighted and you get a nice bit of backlighting. So I've just got to wait for a subject and then it should be good. Right, Millennium Bridge. I photograph this place a lot, but usually from up top. These stairs have been closed off for years, but where the sun is positioned, I'm able to use the bridge as a bit of a frame to capture some silhouettes as people walk through. It should look pretty good. I just need to wait for less crowds. And then once we get less crowds, better images, basically. So we're back at one of my old faithful spots along the South Bank. This is the National Theatre, and I haven't seen anything in quite some time. So this sort of spot, especially with low sun, really does make a nice scene. You catch people walking through, they get a nice room light as they walk through. It looks quite nice. It's just waiting for the subject. I really want someone in like a fur coat or a bobbly hat or their hair going crazy in the wind, because it just creates that extra element, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it. But I'll wait around out of the wind for a little bit as well, because there's the building cover, and we'll just see what comes along. I don't know if I want multiple subjects or just one, but we will have a look. Another thing I always try and do as well, and always try and tell people in workshops to do, is always explore the scene you're in. So don't just take it at face value. There's always other options. I was just over there capturing that pool of light, but this is quite a nice textured background with some shadow and some shape as well. So I'm just literally looping the original scene and finding different compositions as well. I try and get 3 compositions. I always try and think in threes. So if I can get 3 different compositions, even if the first one don't work out, usually others end up working out quite nicely.
So I'm at Leicester Square. The Christmas market's still up, and they've got an ice skating ring in the front, which means when people are going around, I can use a slow shutter to capture the people skating. People are faster than others, so I'm going to pick out one person. It's usually this guy because he's quite good. Track with him and move, and then you get the person in focus, but everything else as a blur. I'm at a 15th of a second. I might drop it down to an 1/8 of a second. The trick to get someone in focus like that is to start moving with your subject before you actually take the photo. And as long as you keep the speed with them, should be good. Some people aren't good skaters, others are better.
Just like that, it is night time. I forget how quick the light goes in winter. It's not even like 5 o'clock, it's like just gone 4. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm still out, still shooting, get a little bit of a nighttime walk going, take some photos of the lights and the neons because we're in Soho sort of way. Should be good. Let's see what we can find. Right, this is quite nice. Very subtle lighting on this building here on the corner. And we can capture someone as they turn the corner as a silhouette, which is quite nice. Bit different. It's quite nice, this. A little bit of reflection. Mr. High-Vis is right in the way though. Don't like photographing high-vises. Another little Christmas light display that's quite nice. If you have it at like an angle, like that, all the lines are pointing to the corner, someone walking through it, that'd be quite cool. Right, that's going to do it for today's video. It's been a nice little walk back. First walk of 2026, I think I've done all right. Not as many photos, but I think my hit rate's still been pretty good. Considering I've been stuffing my face with turkey all week, I think I've done all right. I've got the steps in. That's what matters. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another video. Bye-bye.